Let's do at least 4 trades in the near.
Okay.
So first, what you do, you start with your weekly. Nothing, you can't trade that. Weekly. Okay. So there we go. So this is one of the pair that we're looking for to trade this week. Current price, nearest low, nearest high. So this is the pair that we're looking for to download on this week. It's Euro USD. There we go. So our direction, bullish. Bullish direction. Remember, current. Current price. Then nearest low, nearest high. So our direction is bullish, so you go to daily. So you see already, you can see now there's no reversal. So we're looking forward for the market to come to this point here. So you go straight to 1 hour. And when you go to 1 hour, this reversal, then up. So this is your main target. So now you go to 1 hour. So we're waiting for something like this. That's still during the night. It's not yet has formed. So we're waiting for the market to give us a proper pattern. We don't know. It can be anyhow. So that's what we have in the moment. Then a break, that's when you buy. So here, there, then a break wherever it's going to take place. So now you wait for a pattern on that one to break, then you're going to take it up. So that's what we're waiting for. So now you're not taking any trade because during the night, the pair might do whatever it wants to do. So now we're looking forward for this pair to retrace. Whatever it can retrace anyhow it wants to, you wait. Then a break, then you take it up. So that's what you do. So let's look at another one. Not clear. So then so current nearest there we go. So that's the gap. So the low, we don't put it here, we don't put this, we put it here. So I'll show you. So the market is already on the downtrend. It's already broken that point. So now it's below the sell zone. It's on a sell zone. So that's your target from now, from there to this point. That's what we have. Right, then now you go to daily, you're looking forward to sell the pair. So that's what we have. So you see now, that you're waiting for a red candle to close below. Then when it closes below, then that's when you're going to start taking this pair down. USD JPY. You start selling this pair only when the market closes below that line with a red candle. If not, then like for this now, you can't go to 1 hour because this pair isn't closing on the reversal. So yeah, you can't trade this one at the moment. Then you go and look for another one. Not clear. Not clear as well. Not clear means you can't take it. Same as this. So there we go. So it's that there direction. So answer the direction. It's bullish. You're looking forward to buy. Then you go to daily. So you see what you have there. So now you already, the market is, there's no reversal. So we're looking forward to take it all the way up there. So that's what we have. Buy. Buy confirmation. So now you can move toward to a 1 hour time frame. There we go. So now you wait for this, that, then you take it up. You wait for a retracement, then you take the market up. So this is what happened. You see? So that's what happened. So that's what you're waiting for. You're waiting for the market to retrace. A retracement. Then up. So that's what happened. So this one you're looking forward to buy, but you're waiting for the market to retrace. Then you take the market up. That's what you'll be doing, right? So let's go and check another one. So you check all of them. That. There we go. So now, current price, nearest low, nearest high. Where's the gap? There's the gap. There you go. So now for this one, you're looking forward to do what to sell. Direction is bearish. Bearish direction. You're looking forward to take the market all the way down. Then you go to daily time frame. Same applies. So you see what you have here. You're waiting for the market to close below this. Then once it closes below, there, with a red. Then once that happens, then it's confirmed going down. Then you go to 1 hour. So now you can go to 1 hour because the market isn't closed below this point. But once it does that, then it's confirmed. Then you can take it all the way down. Right? Then check another one. There's nothing here. This one's not clear. So there, same applies. Nearest low, current price, nearest high. Where is the gap? The gap is below. There you have your direction. So now you have a direction. Now you have direction, then you write it down. Remember 3 things. direction, bearish direction. That's what we have. There. That's what we have. Then you go to daily. You're waiting for this. So you could see here, now the market is not retracing anything. So when you go to 1 hour, you're looking for this, for retracement. Let me just draw it properly. So you could see. So when you go to 1 hour, that breaks up. So that's what we have. Then now you go to 1 hour. So you see, so this is what we'll be looking for. What we have tomorrow. That. So you see, before you even come here, you know what you're looking for. See, so sell. All that the breaks, sell. Sell. And then sell. So that's what you have to do. So even tomorrow you will see, for this pair, that's what we're waiting for. A pattern, then a break, then we're looking for what to sell. Same way it did here, and same way it did that, that's what we're waiting for here. Isn't, as long as we got the direction and we know where the market is going, so that's what we do. Then you can go check another one. That's what you do all the time. Same here. You see? So there. Nearest high. Current price. Nearest low. Where is the gap? The gap is here. There's the gap. So the direction is bullish. Bullish direction. That's what we have. Right. Then now you go to 1 hour to daily to confirm. So you see the market now it's moving. No retracement. So we're taking it all the way to that point. Then now 1 hour. So this is what you're waiting for. Remember? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, that point. Then when it gets to there, you stop because that's your nearest target. So that's what you do. Pattern, break, pattern, break, pattern, break, pattern, break. Then, yeah, that's all. That's what you're supposed to do. Any question, guys? Friday we're doing a review. So tomorrow I'm gonna send the live pairs where I'll be showing you how I do it when I place the trade. I'll place 3 trades manually and show you guys so that you can see. And then the ones I will be using the robot. But yeah, I'll give you at least 3 pairs, then you can see. So that's what we're waiting for this one. And then Friday, we will do a review. You guys will do a review so that I see how far are you and where are you laking and what can we do. Questions? Any question? Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna save this and then I'm gonna send you a few. Go in the group and scroll back and check the one which says review of or trade placing. You watch those ones and then the ones of this one of today, it's gonna help you. So you scroll up, you check the one which is say trade placing, and then this one for today, and then yeah. On tomorrow I'll share the videos on how I place trades, and then as well on Sunday we're gonna do the same thing. Then Friday is your turn, so I see how far you. So yeah, thanks guys. Have a good evening. Let's download dollars tomorrow from 9 till 10. So yeah, that's all. Any question before I go? Questions? No question. Okay, it's fine. I'll share this now and then you can watch it.